to another edition of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we're going to review the WowBacon microwave cooker. So the folks at WowBacon microwave cooker contacted me and asked me to do a product review. So that's what we're going to do today, folks. I'm going to check out this cooker and tell you what I think. So stay tuned for this week's episode. Okay, so you can cook 6 slices at 4 minutes or 3 slices at 2 minutes. I'm going to do 3 slices. You remove the arms, take off the top, and then you remove this piece. And here's where you're going to hang the bacon. And you do it fat side in. So I'm going to fat side in, put my slices on here, and then I'm going to put this top back on. It's got ridges so that it will hold it. Put it back in, and then secure your arms and pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes because I have the 3 slices. Okay, let's put our 3 slices in for the allotted time. 2 minutes, we'll be back. It is ready to come out of the microwave. Woo, sure is steamy. So we're going to undo the arms. Wow, there she is. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Okay. Going to get that off of there. Now you can see, here's my bacon. Whoops, fell off. That's done. All right. And then here's all the juices and grease that collected at the bottom. We are now going to give this a taste. And now for our taste test. Okay. So, what's really cool about this is the bacon. It is not greasy at all. Wow. Like when you fry or even when you bake and put it on a paper towel, right, to soak up the grease, there's still always a little bit of kind of that greasiness left on the slices. This bacon from this WowBacon microwave cooker, there is not a hint of grease at all. It collected in that container. So there you have it. So in conclusion, I would say the WowBacon microwave cooker is great, especially if you're on the go and you're in a hurry. Now you are limited to 6 strips. I did 3 in 2 minutes. Wow, couldn't have been easier to use or faster. Cleanup is easy. All the grease collects at the bottom. So you just ditch the grease and the water, and it's dishwasher safe, so easy peasy. It did dry out the bacon just a little bit, but I gotta tell you, there was not a lick of grease on those bacon strips. So you weigh it out. I think you should try it. It's a great little microwave cooker. If you're interested in getting one, go to WowBacon.com to order yours today. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Be sure to like, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye-bye.